So when it comes to the ColorPlace spray paint, I give it a Let's do a quick review of the ColorPlace Fast Spray Paint Gloss Black. Here's how it did. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, and then I'm gonna throw some black paint. Not to make it perfect, but just not to make it look that bad. This thing is like terrible. So when it comes to the ColorPlace spray paint, I give it a good 7 to 7.5 because it gets the job done, although you know it's not the best paint, but it gets the job done. So for $1, you really can't go wrong. So yep, that is my review of the ColorPlace spray paint.